When it comes to installing or updating software on Windows, most people follow the usual routine, opening the Microsoft Store or searching the web for setup files. But what many users may not know is that Windows has a built-in tool that can make this process faster, smoother and much easier with just a few simple commands. In this video, I will walk you through two useful ways Winget can help you manage apps on your PC. From quick upgrades to silent installations. Once you get used to it, managing software becomes surprisingly simple and stress-free. So let's get started. To begin, open the command prompt as administrator. So simply type cmd in the Windows search. Now click on Run as administrator. Many users often face issues when downloading apps from Microsoft Store. Sometimes it shows error or the download speed is very slow. But with Winget, things become much faster and smoother. You can view all the software installed on your device, along with their current and available versions, using just one command. So type Winget space upgrade and press enter. Now Winget will scan your system and list all the applications it can manage. For example, Firefox, PowerToys and more. On the right side, you will see the current and latest available versions. For example, here you can clearly see that PowerToys is still on version 0.88.0, but version 0.94.2 is already available for download. At the bottom, it also displays the total number of available upgrades. For example, 6 upgrades available here. Now, if you want to update a specific application, you can do so using this command. Winget space upgrade space ID of the application which you want to update. Here, I will show you how to upgrade PowerToys. So, I am copying the PowerToys ID. And press enter. If a prompt appears asking you to agree to the terms, simply type Y and hit enter. Now Winget will start upgrading the app, showing you the download source, size and progress. It may take a little time, so please be patient. And now as you can see, it's successfully installed. And as you can see, PowerToy is now fully upgraded. If you would like to upgrade all applications at once, then type Winget space upgrade space double hyphen all and then press enter. And this will automatically update every app that has a newer version, saving you a lot of manual effort. I am not running it right now because I don't need to update everything, but you may find it very handy. Winget also lets you uninstall any application easily. For example, to uninstall PowerToys, just type Winget space uninstall space PowerToys and then press enter. And Winget will handle the uninstallation for you. Now as you can see the message, PowerToys has been successfully uninstalled. One of the most annoying parts of the installing software, the traditional way, is clicking through endless prompts. But with Winget, you can silently install applications, no pop-ups, no manual clicks. First, if you want to search for an application, type Winget space search space app name. For example, to search for the VLC. So type Winget space search space VLC and hit enter. Now Winget will list all available applications with VLC in their name. Once you find the one you want, note down its ID number and then type Winget space install space ID and then press enter. Now Winget will begin installing the app. Usually this happens without any confirmation prompts. If you want to completely silence the installation process, then type Winget space install space ID space -h. -h stands for hidden. This will perform the entire installation silently without showing any permission dialogues. Now as you can see, it's successfully installed here. You can also search for categories. For example, type Winget space search space browser and then hit enter. This will display all available browsers like Opera, Brave, DuckDuckGo, Edge, Safari, Google Chrome and more. Similarly, you can search for other types of software. Type Winget space search space uninstaller and then hit enter. Now Winget will list uninstallers like Smarty uninstallers, Revo uninstallers and others. Once you find what you want, just install it using the same Winget install command. And that's it. These were two powerful ways to use Winget that can truly change the way you manage software on Windows. From upgrading and uninstalling in one place to silently installing apps, Winget makes everything faster, cleaner, and more efficient. So if you found this guide helpful, then please give it a like, share, and subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.